Need a paper copy of a text file? Notepad makes basic printing pretty straightforward. In this guide, I'll show you how to prepare your document, choose a printer, adjust the basic page settings, and print your file from Notepad. So let's get started. First, open the text file you want to print in Notepad. Quickly check the document for spelling mistakes, missing text, or anything else you want to fix. Make any necessary edits and save the file before printing. This helps make sure you're printing the latest version. Next, open the File menu and look for Print. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-P to open the print dialog quickly. The exact layout can vary slightly depending on your Windows and Notepad version, but the main printing options are usually easy to find. Now choose the printer you want to use. If you have multiple printers installed, select the correct one from the printer list. You may also see options for paper size, orientation, or other printer-specific settings. Check these before continuing, especially if the document needs a particular paper format. Before printing, review the available settings. Depending on your version, you may be able to choose the number of copies, page range, paper size, or printer preferences. If your document is only one page, a single copy is usually all you need. For longer files, make sure the correct pages are selected. If your version of Notepad provides page setup, open it before printing. Here you may be able to adjust the paper size, orientation, and margins. For normal documents, the default settings are usually fine. But if text looks too close to the edges, checking the margins can help. Once everything looks correct, select Print. Windows will send the document to your chosen printer. Wait for the printer to finish, then check the printed page to make sure the text looks right. If something is missing, review the page and printer settings before trying again. If the document doesn't print, first check that the printer is powered on, connected, and selected correctly. Also make sure there's paper and that the printer isn't showing an error. So once those basics are checked, try printing again, and that's all it takes to print a file from Notepad. Thanks for watching.